how to set Wi-Fi calling to Wi-Fi or mobile network preferred on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. And then tap on Wi-Fi calling. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then tap on calling preference. And from the pop-up, you could select Wi-Fi preferred, or you could select mobile network preferred. Here it says make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. And that's it. So make sure you turn on Wi-Fi calling first so that you can make changes to the calling preference. Finally, you can tap on the back key or the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.